Hi friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this beautiful and super gorgeous heart photo frame with the paper quilling flower decoration. Isn't it looking very pretty? Everything is handmade and from back side it will look like this. You can just slide any photograph from top like this. So without any delay, let's get started. For this we need some 3 mm quilling strips. You can also use 2 mm, some half cut pearls, liquid glue, quilling tool, scissor, butterfly cutout, pattern paper, mount board or cardboard and pink color craft paper. First I am taking this mount board piece which measures 18 by 14 centimeters, and here I have created one heart template. For this I took 10 by 10 centimeters scrap paper. I have just folded this from center and cut this heart shape. Now I am just finding the center of the mount board, that is 9 centimeters. Make a line and align your heart with the center part and just trace it. Now we know where the heart frame will come, so approximately leaving little gap I am creating a pattern here. Since this is a mount board and this is quite thick to cut, so I'm just cutting around the heart shape. If you are comfortable in cutting heart on mount board, you can also do this, but you don't need to bother that much because anyways we are covering it with pattern paper heart frame. So just leave little gap and cut a straight lines like this using paper cutter. So frame part is ready. Now I'm taking one purple color craft paper and I will cover this frame using this paper. So this is done. Now I'm taking one pattern paper which is also having same size, that is 18 by 14 centimeters, and on back side in the center I have traced the same heart using template, and now I am cutting this heart using my paper cutter. So this is thinner than a mount board, so we can easily cut heart shape using paper cutter. So that is my trick to create a heart shape frame. In this way you can make any shape frames like hexagon or star shape or circle, oval, anything which you want. So this is done, and now I am going to put this on my frame. So just add little glue and connect with the base. Like this. Now on back side of this frame I am going to attach one piece of acetate sheet which I have already prepared, and I am just fixing it in this part. So that your photograph will be safe inside frame. Now here I have prepared some pieces of mount board, and I am adding these strips only on the edge of frame so that we can easily slide our photograph. And the width of these strips is approximately 1 centimeter. I have just covered one side of the strip using purple pattern paper so that it will look finished from outside. So I have added on left and right sides, and I am also adding in the bottom. Just burnish it very well using bone folder, and this is done. Now I am taking one more piece of mount board which measures 18 by 14 centimeters, and I have just covered from back side using purple craft paper. So I am going to put this on this mount board strip. So just add glue on these strips and connect your back side support. And our frame is ready. Now I'm taking one mount board piece which measures 14 by 4 centimeters. I have covered it with pink color craft paper, and now I'm taking this pattern paper strip which measures 30 by 4 centimeters. I have creased it on 4 centimeters, 18 centimeters, 22 and 26 centimeters, and it should look like this after folding, like a W shape. And top part also we will gonna fold it. Now inside it I am going to attach this mount board strip. Then add little glue on these folded parts, and on back side of the frame just connect it. So the frame stand is ready, and our frame is also ready. Now I'm taking this beautiful punched design. This is a daisy punch border from Dress My Craft, and I am adding this design on top and bottom of the frame. And then on the edge of the heart I am going to add some half cut pearls. So just complete it on this other side. Now I'm starting with paper quilling flowers. For the first flower I am taking half strip of light pink color and 1/4 strip of dark purple color and making one Malaysian flower petal. I'm wrapping this petal using dark purple strip. Just cut the excess strip, secure end using glue, and I'm going to connect total 7 petals together and adding half cut pearl in the center. So the flower is ready. Now for the next flower I am taking half strip of dark pink and 1/4 strip of white color and making one teardrop shape. I am attaching 6 petals together and adding small size half cut pearl in the center. So we need 4 these type of flowers. Now for the next flower I am taking half strip of white color and making one teardrop shape. I will connect 5 petals of similar shape and adding small size half cut pearl in the center. So we need total 4 white flowers. So flowers are done. Now to create leaf, I am taking half strip of sap green color and 1/4 strip of light sap green color and I am making one leaf shape. I will join 3 petals together and our leaf is ready. We need total 6 leaves and also I have created some scrolls using same color combination. Now take back your frame and I will start adhering all my quilling designs. So I'm just putting these flowers on my palm and pushing in the center to create these flowers little 3-dimensional, and now I'm going to put all patterns one by one in both the corners. Now I'm taking some butterfly cutouts. These are die cutouts, and I'm putting one small butterfly in right bottom corner and one pink butterfly on top corner. So the beautiful heart-shaped photo frame is ready. You can gift it in Valentine's Day or anniversary or any special day, and you can easily slide the photograph from top and decorate your desk. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.